Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Uju. Thank you so much for coming by. Thank you for always watching my video. I really appreciate. Okay, so in today's video I'll be sharing a quick recipe on how to make fried bean cake, which is popularly known as akara. Here are the ingredients. I'll be using black-eyed beans, okay, and tatashe. I'll be using salt, and spring onion, which is optional. These are frozen spring onion. I have my red onion and ginger. Okay, so in my blender I'll add in my black-eyed beans. I'll just add them in so as to crack them. I want to crack them to pieces. Okay, I'll use the pause button, which is also known as you can have cutter button, whichever button. Okay, just use it to crack the beans open. Then transfer your cracked beans to a bowl. Okay, look at that, guys. All right, so I will transfer it to a bowl and then pour in water to wash. Okay, so this is it. We're about to wash the beans now, guys. This method didn't even take me up to 5 minutes to do. Like, it was as fast and as easy as ABCD. Okay, so this is it. All right, guys, so I'm just running water over it. This is super stress free and easy. Look at that beans, guys. Very, very easy to wash. Okay, so then I'll transfer my washed beans in a blender, add sliced onion, and then my peppers, that's my tatashe. I've already opened them and cleaned them, took out the seeds. So that is what I'm adding now. I'm going to add in some water to blend. We don't need much water. Okay, I added ginger at this point. This is grounded ginger, fresh ginger. So I added water, covered my blender, and then blend. Okay, yes, we have to blend till it becomes smooth. Okay, so I'll transfer my blended mixture in a bowl, and then cover it. Okay, and you have to cover it and just set it aside to rise. I decided to put my own in my microwave so as to rise. Okay, so this is it. After 30 to 45 minutes I'll add it back to the blender and blend for like 5 minutes. Okay, we are trying to achieve a lighter mixture here. Okay, so I'll transfer my blended mixture in a bowl, add my spring onion. This is actually optional, it's not compulsory. You can choose not to add it as well. So I added my spring onion, then I'll be adding some salt. Mix properly, and then set it aside. In a dry pan I heated up my oil. I'm using vegetable oil as usual. So I added, scooped in the bean blended mixture my akara. Now I scooped it in there. Okay, so and allowed each side to turn golden brown. Flip over to the other side and repeat the same process. Okay, so this is me flipping it over so as to brown. We want that golden, your malicious color. Okay, that is what we are trying to achieve here while we cook our akara as well. So after that we'll be taking it out from the oil. Okay, take it out from the oil and then drain. Put it in a sieve or in your kitchen napkin. All right, so that you can drain the excess oil, and your malicious akara at this point is ready. Where is the pap? What are you eating it with? Is it with bread, coke, name it? You can enjoy this akara with anything, like anything. Guys, look at that akara. Is it not calling your name? Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you still waiting for? Show this baby girl some love. Hit that subscribe button. Okay, and if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. turn on your notification bell to get notified anytime I make an upload. I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye guys.